John is probably the number one agent, dental practice sales agent, I would say maybe in the country, definitely in California, that has great relationships with banks. And that's really what is the bottom or the power behind his company. He's got these relationships, and the bankers are, if John says this guy is good and qualified, then the bankers are probably more often than not going to go with his recommendation, because I can't remember, I don't even know of any failures that he's had. I don't know, he's probably sold 200 or 300 practices. I don't know the number. I know I'm his number one client, so that's a kind of a good thing. The California Practice Sales Group as a whole have been fabulous all through the whole transition period. They follow up, they help the buyers if they get in trouble, even a year down the road. And I just can't recommend them high enough, because I've talked to other agents, other brokers, and just by talking to them, I know that they have nothing more, or can do nothing more than California Practice Sales, because they've been doing it for 30 years. They're the best in the business.